Welcome to Taste of Thursday. Today we're going to make barbecue chicken sliders. Join us, won't you? Okay, we're going to go ahead and use 6 boneless, skinless thighs, crockpot, and don't forget the liner. That ruins it all when you gotta scrub and scrub and scrub. Okay. Salt, pepper, onion powder, and red pepper flakes. And put that in. Have a teaspoon of garlic. And we'll put that in. And then we're going to put 3/4 cup of barbecue sauce. All out of there. Then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and then we get to the experiment part. Sure, I said experiment. Cooking is an experiment. So we're going to use a 1/2 cup of orange juice in place of 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in that. Okay. Should be just as good. We're going to go ahead and stir that up a little bit. Pour this in, just enough to mix it up a little. And we're going to turn it on high and cover it, and we're going to cook it on low for 3 to 4 hours, or high for 2.5 hours. Then we'll be back and see how it turns out. Okay, we're back with the barbecue chicken for a slider. Take all these chickens out of here. It's easier to shred it up. Shred it up. It smells very good. Remember, we made this recipe bigger. Just 3 or 4 chicken thighs with half of the sauce ingredients. I made a little more today because of the size of packages of chicken I had to buy. So it would help if I had 2 forks, but I don't have 2 forks. So we just do the best we can. Now we'll go back in and stir it up. Stir this up. Get a bun over here. Tell I like pickles, right? Right. I can tell it's going to be messy. Good. Very good. See you next time on Taste of Thursday.